Showcase the full impact of your Facebook ads campaigns inside AgencyAnalytics. Replace scattered reports with one unified dashboard that highlights exactly how your agency drives growth. Open your client's profile and head to Facebook ads in the side menu to start exploring performance data. Impressions, clicks, leads, cost per lead, it's all here laid out for you, so you prove ROI without digging. Shift the time frame with the date selector in the top right corner to focus on daily trends or long-term progress. Take a closer look at campaign, ad set, and individual ad performance. Dive into demographics to sharpen your strategy. Break down engagement by age, gender, and location to reveal which audiences respond best to your client campaigns. Unlock deeper analysis with the Insights features. Spot anomalies the moment they happen, forecast future performance, and uncover hidden trends, all automatically generated from your client data. Whether it's a sudden spike in CPC or a drop in conversions, Insights flags it instantly so you stay proactive, not reactive. Then, take it a step further with Ask AI. Simply ask, which ads drive the most engagement, and surface answers in seconds. No manual digging required. Use it to generate instant recommendations, highlight underperforming campaigns, or pull client-ready takeaways in plain language. Want to connect the dots across every channel? Blend Facebook ads data with 80+ other integrations like Google Ads, GA4, or LinkedIn, and build a holistic view of performance in one place. Tailor each dashboard with drag-and-drop widgets or fast-track reporting with agency-ready templates. Then, schedule automated reports that land directly in your clients' inboxes, keeping them informed and freeing your team to focus on scaling results. Turn Facebook ads data into clear, actionable insights your clients trust. Start your free trial with Agency Analytics today and start reporting smarter, not harder.